In the realm of spirituality, there are few prayers as revered and powerful as the Lord's Prayer. This sacred prayer, often recited by Christians around the world, holds within it the key to unlocking the profound and transformative power of divine connection. It is a prayer that has the ability to transcend boundaries, uplift souls, and bring peace and enlightenment to those who seek it. In this article, we will explore the depths of the Lord's Prayer, uncover its hidden strengths, and provide a guide to harnessing its power in our daily lives. Understanding the Lord's Prayer, a gateway to divine power. At first glance, the Lord's Prayer may seem like a simple set of words, but it is so much more than that. It is a gateway to divine power, a direct line of communication with our Creator. Each line of this prayer holds profound meaning and significance. By understanding and meditating upon its words, we open ourselves up to the vast and infinite possibilities that lie within the realm of divine connection. The Lord's Prayer serves as a guiding light, leading us towards spiritual growth, healing, and transformation. Embrace the divine connection, unleashing the power within. When we recite the Lord's Prayer, we are not just uttering a set of words, we are embracing a divine connection. It is through this connection that we can tap into the immense power that resides within us. By surrendering ourselves to the divine presence, we unleash an unstoppable force that can guide us through life's challenges and lead us towards our highest potential. This connection is not limited to a specific religious belief or creed, it is a universal gateway to the divine that welcomes all seekers of truth, love, and enlightenment. Unveiling the secrets, decoding the Lord's Prayer's hidden strength. The Lord's Prayer holds within it a treasure trove of hidden strength and wisdom. Each line carries a profound message that can transform our lives if we allow it to. Our Father, who art in heaven, reminds us of our inherent connection to a higher power, while thy kingdom come, thy will be done, encourages us to surrender our desires and align ourselves with divine purpose. Give us this day our daily bread teaches us to trust in the abundance of the universe, and forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us reminds us of the power of forgiveness and releasing negativity. By decoding these secrets, we unlock a wellspring of divine power that can guide us towards a life of love, peace, and fulfillment. The Lord's Prayer, a transformative path to spiritual enlightenment. The Lord's Prayer is not just a set of words to be recited, it is a transformative path to spiritual enlightenment. Through the power of this prayer, we can cultivate a deep and intimate relationship with the divine. It serves as a compass, guiding us towards a life of purpose, compassion, and unconditional love. By embracing the teachings within the Lord's Prayer, we embark on a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. It is a path that leads us to a place of profound peace, joy, and spiritual fulfillment. Strengthen your faith, embracing the divine presence through the Lord's Prayer. The Lord's Prayer is a gift bestowed upon us to strengthen our faith and deepen our connection to the divine. It is a prayer that transcends religious boundaries and speaks to the universal longing for spiritual enlightenment. By embracing the power of the Lord's Prayer, we invite the divine presence into our lives, transforming our thoughts, actions, and experiences. It is through this divine connection that we can unlock the power within us and manifest a life filled with purpose, love, and abundance. So, let us embark on this transformative journey and allow the Lord's Prayer to guide us towards the divine connection we have always longed for.